So if, like me, you suffer from hay fever at the moment, mine's really bad. Around this time of year, it's normally grass pollen. And I looked online to see if there were any solutions, and I found Haymax and some other similar products. And if you look at the price of them, they are about £8 or more. And then you scroll down to the ingredients, and it's just sunflower oil and beeswax. So today we're going to make our own, because why spend that kind of money when it's so simple? So here's a quick formula for you. It's free, you can use it if you want. All we need is 80.5 grams of oil of choice. I'm using sweet almond oil because it's what I've got to hand, but you can use anything you like. So we'll put this in here. Then we need something to turn it into a balm. How much of this you use depends on how hard or soft you want this, but I'm doing 10%, 10 grams of beeswax. You can also swap this for a different type of wax if you want it vegan. And now what we want to do is melt this down so that the beeswax and the oil combine. Right, that is melted. We're just going to let it cool slightly because we want to add some vitamin E. They haven't added it in the one that I've seen online, which seems very odd to me because it is mostly oil, so I'd add an antioxidant. So we're going to add some vitamin E. I've got this clear vitamin E from TKB Trading. You can use any vitamin E you've got, and just let it cool down a little bit because otherwise it can compromise the vitamin E. At the moment we're around 68, so we need to let it cool quite a bit before we can add it. Okay, we're now at around 45 degrees, so that'll do for this because I still want it to be fluid. So we're going to add in our vitamin E. Just 0.5 grams, 0.5%, and stir that in really well. There you go. And I'm going to use one of these containers, just a little lip balm container, like that, and we're just going to pour it in. Now you can see we've got quite a lot left, so I'm going to fill up some more containers and then we'll come back when they're all set. So here are the finished products out of the fridge. This is what they look like. To use, you can either put it in a stick, or if you use less beeswax, then keep it in the tin and just get some on your finger, and then you just put it under your eyes or under your nose, and you keep reapplying throughout the day, and it just helps the pollen to stick to that rather than getting in your sinuses and making you unhappy. So I hope this helps. If you want the formula, it's down below in the description. I've also got loads of other formulas for other things on my Patreon, which is also linked below, so go check those out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.